Now we'll teach you a function at any point x is equal to a is differentiable or differentiable. Any function fx are given and any point x arbitrary point x is equal to a, its function are differentiable or not. For this value, definition of differentiability of functions be defined. If a function fx is called differentiable if the left hand derivative, if the value of left hand derivative and right hand derivative are equal, is called differentiable. Does not equal, function is called not differentiable. Left hand derivative, it is denoted by f dash a, l f dash a, and defined as limit h tends to 0 function of a minus h minus f a divided by minus h, and right hand derivative is denoted by r f dash a and defined as limit h tends to 0 function of a plus h minus f a divided by h. Both formula are also remembered, and any problem for differentiability, now we calculate first left hand limit or right hand limit by using left hand derivative and right hand derivative formula. If the value of left hand derivative and right hand derivative are equal, then the function is called differentiable. For example, discuss the differentiability. Discuss the differentiability of function fx is equal to x square at point x is equal to 1, at point x is equal to 1. Solution. First we calculate left hand derivative and right hand derivative by formula. At point x is equal to 1, l f dash 1 is equal to limit h tends to 0 function of 1 minus h minus f1 divided by minus h. L f dash 1 is equal to limit h tends to 0 1 minus h whole square minus f1 that is 1 is equal to minus h. Break this formula. L f dash 1 is equal to limit h tends to 0 1 plus h square minus 2h minus 1 divided by minus h. We calculate limit h tends to 0, h will be common, h minus 2 divided by minus h will be cancelled out, and putting the value of h we get लेफ्ट हैंड डेरिवेटिव f dash 1 as f dash 1 is equal to 2. Now calculate the right hand derivative at point x is equal to 1 r f dash 1 is equal to limit x tends to 0 function of 1 plus h minus f1 divided by h. R f dash 1 is equal to limit h tends to 0 1 plus h whole square minus 1 divided by h. Solving is r f dash 1 is equal to right hand derivative limit h tends to 0 1 plus h square plus 2h minus 1 divided by h. Begin. Right hand derivative f dash 1 is equal to limit h tends to 0 h will be common, 1 will be cancelled out and it will be common, 1 h plus 2 divided by h, h will be cancelled out, putting the value of limit, we get right hand derivative f dash 1 is equal to 2. Since the value of left hand limit L f dash 1 is equal to r f dash 1, left hand derivative is equal to right hand derivative 2. Hence the function is differentiable at x equal to 1. That's all. Now again solving next question on these differentiability. Discuss the differentiability. Discuss the differentiability. Discuss the differentiability of function fx equal to 1 plus x, f equal to 1 plus x if x greater or equal to 2 and 5 minus x if x less than 2. 8 point x equal to here the given question fx equal defined as 1 plus x if x greater than or equal to 2 and the value of function 5 minus x if x less or equal to 2. Now we discuss the differentiability of functions. First we calculate left hand derivative and right hand derivative by previous formula. Now we calculate first left hand derivative at point x is equal to 2 L f dash 2 is equal to limit h tends to 0 function of 2 minus h 2 minus h f2 divided by minus h. Here first we calculate f2 equal to x equal to 2 in first inequality. Then the value of f2 equal to, putting first inequality x equal to 2, 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Then left hand derivative f2 equal to limit h tends to 0 to f2 minus h is less than 2. Then putting these values in these inequality, second equality, 5 minus 2 minus h minus f2, if the value of function of 2 is 3 divided by minus h, or that f dash 2 equal to limit h tends to 0, 3 minus, we calculate 2 minus 2 plus h divided by minus h. We get the value of 2 will be cancelled out. We get value of limit h tends to 0, h divided by minus h, left hand derivative is equal to minus 1. Minus 1. Now again find the value of right hand derivative. Right hand derivative r f dash 2 equal to limit h tends to 0, function of 2 plus h minus f2 divided by h. Putting the value of 2 plus h greater than 0 in first inequality, limit h tends to 0, 1 plus 2 plus h minus 3 value of f2 divided by h, or by that limit h tends to 0, 3 plus h minus 3 divided by h, or f dash 2, or f dash 2, or f dash 2 equal to limit h tends to 0, 3 will be cancelled out, we get by h cancel out, the value of r f dash 2 equal to 1. Since the value of left hand derivative does not equal to value of right hand derivative, that is L f dash 2 does not equal to r f dash 2. Hence the given function not differentiable at x equal to 2.